Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to harness your true potential and unleash the power within you? Then keep watching because today we will be delving into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard's book, The Power of Awareness. Before we start, let me know in the comment section, are you ready to unlock the power of visualization and take your journey to the next level? If so, I have got something incredibly exciting to share with you. I want to invite you to join me for a free webinar titled How to Visualize in First Person. In this session, we will dive deep into the world of visualization and explore how you can harness its potential to manifest your dreams and aspirations. Spaces are limited, so be sure to reserve your spot today. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments. Well, do you want to thank me for this? Then like this video right now and subscribe to my channel for more such exciting gifts. Now let's get straight into the video. Neville Goddard was a renowned spiritual teacher from the mid-20th century who tapped into the profound principles of consciousness and imagination. His timeless work has empowered countless individuals to manifest their desires and the life of their dreams. The Power of Awareness is a captivating and enlightening exploration of the unlimited power we all hold within ourselves. It teaches us that our outer reality is merely a reflection of our inner state or our consciousness, and how the change of consciousness is the one and only critical factor in life. Because the consciousness is the only reality, the one and only causing substance of the phenomena of life. I am is our consciousness or awareness. Whatever we will consent to as true for our I am will become our reality. For example, if a person is sick and he continues to stay in that state of sickness and says, believes and repeats that I am sick, he will remain in the state of sickness. So to become healthy, he will have to change his state of consciousness first to I am healthy. The state of consciousness is our state of being. If you really love yourself, ask yourself every moment that what state of being are you choosing? What state of consciousness or awareness are you choosing in this moment, in the now? Because the state of consciousness you choose is the future you choose, is the life or reality you choose. If you are presently dealing with lack of money in your reality or life, you are in the state of lack or poverty, and so to change your reality, you must first accept the state of consciousness of being rich. The more you complain and confront, the more you acknowledge the state of lack. So to get yourself out of this situation, you must change your state of consciousness first. The Power of Awareness explains beautifully that how just by imagining and accepting your desired state, you can change your present state of awareness easily and thus change your life effortlessly. Because once your subconscious mind accepts any state of consciousness as true, it will automatically make you take the required actions that you need to take to get your desires. In this case, every action you take will seem effortless and like the next logical step. Just by understanding and harnessing the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can shape our reality in astonishing ways. This book empowers us to take full responsibility and so full control of our lives and the situations we attract. One of the most powerful and important teachings in the Power of Awareness is that of mental imagery. Neville guides us how to vividly imagine and feel our desired outcomes as already accomplished, leading to their manifestation in the physical world. It explains that how our imagination changes our state of consciousness and thus is actually creating our realities every moment. How we can easily choose the desired states of consciousness by merely assuming the wish fulfilled. Countless people have shared their success stories of how just by applying Neville Goddard's principle, they have completely transformed their lives. From manifesting dream jobs and loving relationships to financial abundance and personal healing, The power of awareness knows no limits. In my opinion, everybody should read this book and learn to take full control of their realities easily and effortlessly. If you want to buy it, I have the link in the description of this video. Go get it and change your life. Thank you so much for watching this video and joining me on this journey of understanding Neville Goddard's The Power of Awareness. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more enlightening insights and practical tools to unleash the power within you. I love you all. Till the time we meet again, bye-bye.